Others prepare for a Oh no! A hurricane is coming! I need to protect my fruit trees and fields! Put the fruit trees in the basket quickly! Great! All the fruits have been picked. Cut these branches so that the big trees won't be blown down. All the branches have been cut. Use wood to reinforce the tree. All the trees have been reinforced. Dig a ditch. Drag the hoe along the line to dig. That's better for drainage. Fill the holes to block the flood. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. The sandbags are finally ready. Now let's put them on the riverbank. Put the stake into the soil. The riverbank has been reinforced. Fantastic work! The hurricane landed. Prepare to defense against it. The wood supports the fruit tree well.
Great! The ditches in the field drain well.
The hurricane is gone, and my orchard and fields are safe now. Daddy, the hurricane is coming. What shall we do?
Don't be scared. Let's prepare for the hurricane together.
Find these emergency supplies. Cookies. First aid kit. It is not what radio. It is not what we are looking for. Blanket. Don't forget, you also need to find water. It is not what we are looking for. Flashlight. Towel. Standby batteries. The emergency kit is ready. Close the window quickly. Tape the window. Tape a double X shape to prevent the window from being shattered by gale. Flames are dangerous during a hurricane, so turn the stove off quickly.
Okay, let's go upstairs and check it out. Bring in the clothes quickly.
Clothes are all inside.
Put the flower pot in the corresponding tray. Great! This way, the flower pots won't fall.
Close the door. Tape the door. Tape every door and window for peace of mind. Okay, it's all done. The hurricane landed. Prepared. We won't be scared. Tape reinforces doors and windows. Stay with your family and don't run about.
Mew Mew, the hurricane is gone, and we're safe now.
Yay! Great! Hi! Let's see if these actions are right or not. The hurricane is coming, and Mew Mew has taped a double X shape to the window. Is that right? Right. The hurricane is coming, and Mew Mew has prepared a family emergency kit. Is this right? Great work! Mew Mew has taped a smiling face to the window to reinforce it. Is this right? It's wrong. You are right. The hurricane is here, and the doors open wide. Is that right? Fantastic! you know all about hurricanes? Now I can protect myself during a hurricane. Whoa! Let's see how others prepare for a hurricane.
Oh no! It's a hurricane! We need to prepare to stay safe. Back to shore!
Help Rudolph's dad put his life jacket on.
Always wear a life jacket when going to sea. Look, it's the lighthouse. Let's go quickly. Slide to the right to avoid the obstacle. Now, slide to the left. Full steam ahead. Keep going! We've got to push on to get out of here! Phew! We're finally safe. Go towards the lighthouse to find the way home. Go towards the lighthouse to find a safe harbor. Steer the boat there. Ah! Next, go this way. Go to the buoy and you'll find the safe harbor. Great! Keep going. Look, there's a safe harbor. Go there to shelter from the hurricane. Finally, we've found a safe harbor. It is safe to moor the boat here. Secure the boat with a rope so it won't be blown away by the hurricane. The boat is moored. Let's go and shelter inside. The hurricane landed, and everyone must shelter. The boat is tied up well. Don't worry, it won't be blown away. There are big waves on the sea. Stay away from the sea during a hurricane. The hurricane has gone, and we're finally safe now.
Daddy, remember to watch the weather forecast first before you go to the sea. Let's see how others prepare for a hurricane.